Balihog ko na po sa talagang inspection area. Balihog ko sa talagang officiating sa inspection area. Asan na po? Ano may plano na eh? Tanan na officiating sa inspection area. Anong pipilan natin kung balihog duhan ang natin balihog dali? Kaya para mahuman ka dali. Tanan na officiating sa inspection area. Inspection area. Inspection area officiating. Balihog ko balihog. Wala lang po balihog. Dali na lang balihog ako si Juan. May plano. Balihog ko niya. Asa na mga uban?
Solid 45ers players na umana, please help us at the inspection area, please. Let us help them to
Balihog ko Southern 45ers players na umana o tuwag. Balihog kong tapang sa inspection Kaya wala yung balihog sa inspection. Palulog ko. Balihog ko. Inspection area officiating at CE working at all.
final match number 14. Red Armor, Joshel Barleso, Blue Warriors versus Blue Armor, Hazel May Tumaro of Sicilians. Again, Red Armor, Joshel Barleso, Blue Warriors versus Hazel May Tumaro of Sicilians. Proceed to 1A. Final match number 15. Shonghui Jong of Constellation versus Aliyah Denise Delphine of Jaguars. Again, final match number 15. Red Armor, Shonghui Jong of Constellation versus Blue Armor, Aliyah Denise Delphine of Jaguars. Proceed to court name. Final match number 16. Okay na sir, kabalaan na final match number 16. Red Armor, Wendelin Douglas of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Princess Anne Belongil of Sicilians. Proceed to Court A. Wendelin Douglas of Red Armor versus Princess Anne Belongil of Sicilians. Court A. Final match number 17. Red Armor, Maria Aliana Boyones of 45ers versus Blue Armor, Faith na Tia of Licanda of Sicilians. Ay. Balik. Final match number 17. Maria Aliana Boyones, 45ers in Red Armor versus Faith Naya Licanda of Sicilians. Proceed to court B. Natia behind. First Faith Natia. Final match number 18. Zayar Althea Homeless of TAP, Red Armor versus Blue Armor, Crystalline Rivera of Jaguars. Match number 18. Red Armor, Zayar Althea Homeless of TAP versus Blue Armor, Crystalline Rivera of Jaguars. Proceed to court C. Final match number 19. Red Armor, Isabel May Luta of TAP versus Blue Armor, Crystal Zen Bass of Blue Warriors. Final match number 19. Red Armor, Isabel May Luta of TAP versus Crystal May Zen Bass of Blue Warriors. Court C. C.